Let's start the tour. So we're exploring the famous oratory today, and we need to climb 4 sets of stairs just to reach the ground floor of this oratory. That's the pathway right there to reach the ground floor. Then you take the stairs on the left to go inside the chapel. So let's go. So apart from the stairs, there is a pathway on the left. That's a semicircle kind of pathway people use if they don't want to use the stairs to go up to the next level. This is how it looks from here, and right in front of me there is the car parking if you want to park your car, and then there's a pathway right next to it that'll take you straight inside the chapel. So on the left side, if you see, that's the pathway that I showed you earlier people use. So now let's go on this second set of stairs, although very slippery. We'll proceed with caution. If you notice, 2 sets of stairs out of 3, they're completely covered in snow. There's just one open that I have used and it's not clean. So anyways, let's proceed to the next set of stairs. Here as well, just the middle pathway is clean, and we need to use the side edges to just continue walking straight. Finally, the 4th set of stairs that will take us to the ground floor of the oratory. We're on the ground floor of the chapel, and you see these huge, like very huge lights. Now we're gonna move straight towards that side to enter the chapel. These stairs are closed because of winter, so we'll just take that route to enter the chapel. Let's enter, do a bit of a cleanup, and then we finally are in the welcome area of the chapel. So here when you enter, you'll see that they have displayed the different levels of the oratory and some information on each levels. We'll skip the class and directly move towards that door. So that leads us to the chapel that's on the ground floor, and as soon as I enter, I see that there are a lot of people here praying, so being respectful, I have to be very quiet. And now if you see right in front of me, there's the faith, and it's a very big chapel. The ceilings are pretty huge, and if you see, there are engravings on these things as well, and they are all very clean, you know. And this requires like a pretty good maintenance staff to do this, and it's very neat and clean, very neat everywhere. If you see the sitting area, the windows, the doors, everywhere, it was super clean. Now let's see a close-up shot of the front, and if you see the lighting and everything, it's so decent. The architecture is so well decorated. And there is a very interesting thing in this chapel. So you'll notice that there are these huge windows with some beautiful pictures on it. You know what? These things only light up during the day. These would usually be black when it comes to evening or nights, because there are colors, these are glass, the colors that only will show up when there is sunlight behind them. So that's a very important fact. So you can try that yourself. Just come here during the night and you'll see it all black. In the second part of this video, we'll explore the area right next to this chapel where people devote their prayers and light up candles, and there's a secret door that's in the chapel that a lot of people forget. So stay tuned for part 2.